Let me in.
No, I'm sick of you all tormenting me. You can't just keep barging in.
You don't understand, Mary. I'll only come in if you let me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, look at what the cat has dragged in.
Look, Martha,
And where have you been, Mary? You've been missing practices day after day. Are you just gonna give up? I mean, listen, Mary, I know things are getting hard and all, but...
ill. I've been ill.
Ill? Ill. Okay, Mary, you can just go.
What?
Yeah, just go. I don't want to sit around while you just sit here and lie to me.
I'm not lying.
Oh, yeah? Then why did John say that you were associating with the ladies the other day?
Is that not what you're training me for?
During rehearsal time?
Great, so you're spying on me.
Seriously, Mary, spying? Grow up.
Oh, great, so you act like it's a sin to miss a few practices. I do have a life, you know.
A life?
Yeah, something you obviously don't have.
Oh, dear child, I have a life, just not one fancied around all the spoils of your gossip and rumors.
How would you even know? No one even talks to you. All you do is sit here alone. No friends, no one.
Is that so?
Yeah, and it's very clear that you're jealous of me.
Me? Jealous?
The girls were right about you.
Mary!
I can't believe her. She thinks she knows everything. She thinks she knows everything? I'll give her something that she'll never expect coming.